Welcome to Life in the Matrix, and today I'm going to show a little glimpse of the basketball. Actually, is like the national game here. Everyone loves basketball, but here they're playing soccer in this particular sports arena. I'm on my way to the Pasig River area to see what it looks like. Pasig River passes through Makati and through Mabini and the other parts of Metro Manila. There are river taxis that fly up and down. Of course, yeah, murals. Look, and look, a kitty cat mural. My favorite kind. What do you know? Oh, looks like I'm getting close to Riverside. Looks like a nice park coming up. I see lots of people walking dogs, and there's even a dog park. Okay, let me check that out. Okay, this is another part. Oh, there's a cute doggy. Okay, that's Makati in the distance, right there. The city, the skyscape where I walked from, and the sports complex. Mostly soccer here, football. But as I said before, it's basketball, which is like the national game. Now, this is the dog park. There are some dogs around and plenty of humans. It's a good place for people to spend the evening, relax a bit. I've never been here before, first time for me. Many parts of Manila, first time for me anyway. It's not like I'm a veteran here. But maybe we'll come here more often and explore more. It's such a huge metropolitan area anyways. Maybe get closer to the river. And yes, malls. Like they're everywhere, pretty much.
We're all just prisoners here.
Check out some of the cute pooches. And I'm not sure what people are rehearsing. There's some kind of a, well, they look like construction workers with all the jackets and helmets and everything else, but they're kind of choreographed dancing or whatever it is they're doing. Oh, look, kitty cat. In the middle of all this, catwalk.
What you? Perfect timing.
Yeah, it should walk towards me. That's what kitties do. All I have to do is say puss, 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 and here comes the kitty. Hi, kitty. Cats of Manila, hashtag, huh? How's that? Beautiful colors. Hey, kitty. What are you doing next to the dog park, huh? You gonna harass some dogs? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna leave you here and I'm going to the riverside. Glimpse of the mall and the high rise with the river view, I guess. Let's see, Santiago and Libertad Park. That's where I'm at, next to the Pasig River. There's a bunch of kids playing sports. A view of the dog park from behind. I guess there's some kind of a public dance going on. It's like an exercise, yeah? Dance, exercise. It's quite interesting. Spread it out, ladies and gents. Nice place. Okay, so this is the Pasig River. I don't see any ferries on it right now. There's a couple of barges. I think this place was redeveloped a few years ago or something. This is like a waterway that cuts through Manila. It's a little muddy, and that's because of heavy rains the last few days, and maybe the mud carried downstream from upriver would make sense. That's all right. What is this? What is this? I don't know, some kind of gourd, some kind of a... Oh, it is actually lights. Lamps. I thought some kind of hanging fruit or something. No, these are lights on the trees. I guess they light them up at night or something. Nice picnic tables around, so... More of Pasig Riverside. Got the pooch. It's a pretty short river walk for me. Up I go. People watching, people dancing. People with pooches. The pooch park is right behind. It was sunny all day, but you know the clouds are moving in, and the skies are darkening up a bit. Got my umbrella. Shouldn't be a problem. Alright, move it, move it. I wish I can dance like that. I was born with two left feet. I can't dance to save my life. Back at the mall, I think I'm going to sign off the video here. It says there's a restaurant called Nice to Meet You. That's a nice play of words. I guess my friend Amit Mehra at Amit Mehra on Twitter would love this. You can kind of imagine having one of his restaurants up here, looking across the park and the riverside, and cats and dogs. I can picture that. Shout out to you, Amit, at Amit Mehra on Twitter. Check him out. He and his wife Sevanti do a food blog. It's called a Slow Fire Chef on YouTube. Check them out as well. Here's Kitty following me around. Yeah, check out the Slow Fire Chef. They're on Twitter at the Slow Fire Chef, and they're on YouTube, and they upload food shows, cookery shows. I always enjoy watching them, and they're fantastic. Good set of people. They also have food delivery service. If you're ever in Mumbai, you may contact them. Follow them on Twitter. That's all I know. That's at the Slow Fire Chef or at Amit AMIT Mehra MEHRA. All right, see you guys next time. If you like this video, I'll keep posting more of it. I'm leaving Manila tomorrow, but I'll be back here soon. Check out this pooch. But this is probably my last vlog from Manila for a while. So see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you soon, baboon. Cheers. Please share, subscribe, like if you really liked it. This is probably my longest video today. Ciao from Manila.